Imagine a huge farm with almost no workers, no farmers driving tractors, no workers checking every plant. Instead, robots move through the fields, cameras watch the crops, and sensors check the soil. Artificial intelligence helps control the entire farm. Machines can plant crops, check plants, give water, and even help with harvesting. This may sound like science fiction, but this kind of technology already exists. So, the big question is, can a farm really work without farmers? Farming has always needed people. Farmers plant seeds, water crops, remove weeds, and collect the harvest. But farming is becoming more difficult. The world needs more food, but land and water are limited. Many farms also have fewer workers than before. Farming can be hard work, especially when people have to work for many hours under the hot sun. Because of these problems, farmers are looking for new solutions. One of the biggest solutions is automation. With robots, sensors, GPS, drones, and artificial intelligence, machines can now do many jobs that were once done by humans. Automation is not new in farming. Tractors have already made farming much faster and easier. But today, technology can do much more. A smart farm can use sensors to check the soil, cameras to watch the plants, drones to inspect the fields, and weather stations to monitor the weather. All of this information can be sent to a computer system. The system can then help farmers understand what is happening on the farm. Instead of checking everything by hand, farmers can see much of the farm from a computer screen. The farm is becoming more connected and more intelligent. Robots are one of the most exciting parts of modern farming. A small robot can move between rows of plants and use cameras to look at the crops. It can find weeds, check the condition of plants, and move around the field by itself. In the past, workers had to walk through the fields to do these jobs. Now, robots can do many of these tasks automatically. They can repeat the same job for hours without getting tired. The technology is becoming smarter too. Robots can now use cameras and computer vision to understand what they see. They are not just machines that move, they can actually recognize things around them. Water is one of the most important things in farming. But using too much water can be a big problem. Smart farms can use sensors to check how much water is in the soil. If the soil is already wet, the system can reduce or stop the water. If the soil becomes too dry, the system can add more water. This means farmers do not have to give the same amount of water to the entire field. The system can give water only where it is needed. This can help farms save water and use resources more efficiently. Artificial intelligence is like the brain of an automated farm. AI can collect information from cameras, sensors, drones, and weather systems. It can then look for problems and patterns. For example, if a part of the field becomes too dry, the system can send an alert. If a camera finds a plant that looks unhealthy, farmers can be notified. If rain is coming, the system can change the watering schedule. This allows farmers to react faster. Instead of watching every plant themselves, farmers can let AI watch the farm and tell them when something needs attention. So, where are the farmers? They are still important. Automation does not always mean replacing people. It can simply change their jobs. Instead of spending all day driving tractors or checking crops, farmers can monitor machines, look at data, make decisions, and solve problems. One person may be able to control several machines at the same time. Farmers can also focus on tasks that robots cannot easily do. So, the farmer of the future may spend less time doing physical work and more time managing technology. But can machines really do everything? Not yet. Robots can break, sensors can stop working, software can have problems, and nature can be unpredictable. A sudden storm or unexpected disease can create problems that machines may not understand. There is also another important question. Can small farmers afford this technology? Advanced robots and AI systems can be expensive, so the future of farming is not only about creating smarter machines, it is also about making sure that this technology can actually help farmers. The future of farming is changing quickly. Machines are becoming more powerful, robots are becoming smarter, and artificial intelligence is becoming more useful. In the future, a farm could have robots working in the fields, drones watching crops from the sky, sensors checking the soil, and AI controlling many systems at the same time. Farmers could monitor the entire farm from one computer. Farming may become faster, more precise, and more efficient, and the farm of the future may look very different from the farms we know today. So, will farming really exist without farmers? Maybe not, but farming without doing everything by hand is already becoming a reality. The future may not be about humans versus machines. It may be about humans and machines working together. Robots can do the hard and repetitive work, while farmers make the important decisions. And as technology continues to improve, one thing is becoming clear: the future of farming is already here.